Yo, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna get my Thai driving license. I'm at Royong at the, how you call it, the driving license agency. And I'm gonna get my driving license today. Why? Because it's much more easier to rent a car, to identify yourself with a Thai driving license. It also serves as an ID. How do you get a Thai driving license? You can go to a driving school, but if you have already a driving license in your own country, you can go through a process to make your the driving license of your country to a Thai driving license. So I have opted in to do that. What do you need for that? You need your passport, international driving license, and the driving license of your country, proof of residence. So not proof of residence, but a place that you are staying. So confirmation of that, and a picture at 150 baht for the car and 150 baht for the motorbike license. So I'm here now in Rayong. I'm going inside. I think I have to take some kind of test. I will tell you guys what's gonna happen inside. For now, we are here with two another guys, and we are going inside. And that's the lady that's gonna help me to go through the process. I will let you guys know what's going on inside. Catch you guys later. Ciao, ciao. So guys, at the government agency, COVID's still a thing. They hand us out a mask to wear, and it's busy as hell. I hope we don't have to wait here too long. And I hope that it's not actually a test, because if it's this busy and we have also do a test, it's gonna be a hell of a long day. I will update you guys. Okay guys, I got my Thai driving license. It was pretty easy. The tests were like you had to look at the traffic lights, so you are not colorblind. The next one was you have to push the gas pedal, and when you see the red light you have to push the brakes. And the last one was you have to match two sticks together. And the fourth one was broken. I don't know what it was. I couldn't film inside, so I have a short shot before this that you guys can see the equipment. It was pretty easy. So yeah, everyone can do it. But if you want to make it easy, I recommend you guys to go to an agency to help you do it. If you do it yourself, you are paying 150 for car, 150 for the bike, so 300 total. And if you do it with the agency, you pay 5,000. So yeah, I have my Thai driving license, and I can drive, and I can also use it as a ID card. And everyone can do it. A guy who was with us, he didn't have his glasses, and they were saying stop, go. So basically everyone can get a driving license. As I don't know how it works if you don't have a driving license in your own country, but as long as you have an international driving license, you are in and out in 30 minutes. They make appointment with time slots, so you don't have to wait too long. And we come to Rayong because the appointments were more easy to get here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about getting a Thai driving license, let me know. And again guys, my Thai driving license. Catch you guys later with another story. Ciao ciao.